just a night ride in the beautiful city of Budapest. And you can see the parliament there. The chain bridge, right under the chain bridge, the parliament is there. And the car is driving itself at the same time. Q7, I put it into S, and yeah, the oil is 55, so not so bad, but I love the sound of the car. And you can see the building there is called the Well, and there are lots of pubs, restaurants at the bottom of the building. And then there's the beautiful Corvinus University of Budapest, where economists are graduated, right at the shore of the Danube. And there is no such better view than the Liberty Bridge from an Audi Q7 plug-in hybrid. And you can see the next bridge, which is called Erzsébet Bridge. Beautiful. And now we are just heading towards the Buda Castle, and you can see the beautiful ships cruising, and you can see my head-up display as well, that I just fitted the head-up display and it's driving itself, so I don't need to really pay attention. And you can see the beautiful ships on the river Danube, and we can see the Buda Castle right there, and it's very nice, guys. And the chain bridge in its beauty, right from the Q7. Such a beautiful experience, guys. You can see the boats cruising, and you can see the Hotel Marriott right there, Hotel Intercontinental right there, and just enjoy the beauty of this city. And you can see how silently cruising this Q7, and we are heading with zero emission right now, guys. Zero emission. We are at the bottom of the Buda Castle. Beautiful town, beautiful city. And you can see the parliament there. The chain bridge, right under the chain bridge, the parliament is there. And the car is driving itself at the same time. Beautiful ambient light package is installed in the car, but you can upgrade it, of course, if you need, I don't know, hundreds of colors in the car. But it's in itself, it's beautiful, it's astonishing, it's amazing. I really love this, and the car is just awesome, guys. Super silent, handle the road very well. Basic light package, more than enough. And look at the parliament, how beautiful that building is. Pay attention to people just cruising at the door, and look at the building, how beautiful is that. Just roll down on the window for you. Wow. That's it, guys. That's it. With crazy details. Out of the Q7, you can see the Parliament of Budapest. Such a beautiful building. And people just, especially during the summer times, they just stay here. And now let's listen to the sound of the Q7. I put it into S, and yeah, the oil is 55, so not so bad, but I love the sound of the car. Brilliant. Yeah, and then when you put it back into D, just go super silent, go back to electric mode. I'd love the bit, and beautiful.